Welcome to our special feature on AI trends that will change society. In 2024, this segment is devoted to reflecting on the significant role artificial intelligence has assumed in our daily routines and society, and as we glance back at the year 2023, it's evident that technological advancements, specifically AI, have become indispensable players in shaping our existence. 2024, however, pledges to bring forth even more revolutionary breakthroughs. As we stand at the cusp of a new dawn in the world of technology, we're about to witness the metamorphosis that AI will cause. Forthcoming trends are forecasted to fundamentally transform our world in ways we can only imagine. Let's dive into the trends that are set to reshape our world. First up, large language models like ChatGPT continue to evolve. This isn't just another update, but a revolutionary leap forward into a new era of artificial intelligence. Allow me to paint you a picture of the future, a future brought to life by the next generation of language models. Imagine a time where AI not only reads text but interprets and comprehends the visual world as well. That time is now. The year 2024 ushers in such remarkable technology, including advancements like GPT vision and significantly expanded context windows of 128K tokens. These sophisticated features transform the way artificial intelligence operates, navigating the visual realm in an unprecedented manner. We're not just talking about text anymore. AI is now interpreting and interacting with the visual world in ways we've never seen before. Next, social media channels are undergoing a transformation. In the constantly evolving world of digital communication, artificial intelligence is now playing an increasingly integral role. We're witnessing the rise of AI influencers, a revolutionary trend that's reshaping how brands connect with their audience. Interestingly, these influencers aren't human, they're creations of AI. Alongside, we're also encountering deepfakes, a technology that uses AI to create hyper-realistic fake videos. This is not all. AI is now generating content too, and it's getting more sophisticated by the day. Platforms such as TikTok and Instagram are on the front line of these changes, constantly adapting and innovating to offer a new level of user experience. Believe it or not, we're just at the beginning of this revolution. Software applications are also changing rapidly. In today's fast-paced tech world, innovations are continuously evolving, and AI is leading the charge. Consider the household names: Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft's Suite, and countless others. They have started integrating AI into their core functionalities, creating a new standard for other software applications to follow. These AI integrations are seamlessly woven into the fabric of our everyday tools, becoming an indispensable part of our digital lives. What does this mean for you, the end user? The software becomes more intuitive and user-friendly. They begin to understand your patterns, preferences, and work habits, thereby enhancing your overall experience. Expect to see more intuitive, AI-driven features in your everyday apps. The rise of AI assistants is another trend to watch. This surge can be likened to the dawn of a new era, a space where the digital and the physical worlds blend seamlessly. It's not about the limited capabilities of existing AI systems like Siri or Alexa anymore. Instead, the focus has shifted towards the upcoming generation of AI assistants, an evolution that is expected to be game-changing. These next-generation AI assistants are projected to be more intuitive, resembling our natural thought processes. They are designed to be more helpful, going beyond answering simple questions to proactively offering solutions. This assistance could be as complex as managing our schedules, handling our finances, or even predicting our needs before we do. The integration of these AI systems into our daily lives is also expected to increase. They will no longer be confined to our smartphones or smart speakers. Instead, they will permeate our homes, offices, cars, and even public spaces, establishing a ubiquitous presence. AI assistants are projected to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making it more personal and accessible. They are set to redefine the boundaries of digital assistance, introducing a level of convenience that was previously unimaginable. Indeed, the new generation of AI assistants will be more intuitive, more helpful, and more integrated into our daily lives. The concept of AI companions, including AI girlfriends, is gaining traction. In the heart of modern technology, artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, reaching into every corner of our lives. One of the most intriguing developments is the emergence of AI companions. These are not just limited to task-oriented personal assistants like Siri or Alexa, but also extend to AI entities that can provide emotional companionship. These AI companions, controversial as they may be, are not completely outlandish in our tech-saturated reality, representing an interesting intersection of technology and human emotion. While questions of ethics and morality arise, these AI entities could offer new ways to fulfill emotional needs and improve social skills in an increasingly digital world. In conclusion, the gaming industry is on the cusp of a revolution. This isn't just any ordinary revolution, but one that could redefine the way we understand and interact with our games. Imagine the future of gaming where non-player characters, NPCs, are powered not just by rudimentary code, but by advanced artificial intelligence. Envision a world where these NPCs do not have repetitive, predictable behavior, but instead exhibit unique, dynamic interactions that mimic real human behavior. Each encounter with these NPCs could become a novel experience, making every game session fresh and unpredictable. The gaming landscape is shifting, and AI is at the helm of this change. With its potential to create immersive, interactive worlds, the possibilities for AI in gaming are limitless. The potential for AI in gaming is limitless. As we look ahead, these trends in AI are not merely technological advancements, they're catalysts for societal change. With each leap and bound, artificial intelligence is evolving, creating a wave of revolution. It has infiltrated numerous sectors, notably healthcare, transportation, and information technology, and its impact is widespread and undeniable. You see, AI isn't simply a tool for productivity or automation. It's a method through which we can redefine our future, streamline our lifestyle, and unlock new possibilities. Join us on this fascinating journey as we delve into the potential and the myriad ways of how AI will shape our world. Together, we will unfold the future step by step, so make sure to stick around. Thank you to all our subscribers.